If you are starting your business, one of the most important things that you can do is open a separate bank account from your personal account. So this will be your business bank account. You're in Papua New Guinea, one of the major banking institutions here is Bank South Pacific. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can open a business bank account using BSP. This is on my website, so let's just go to the blog section since I've already written a blog about opening a bank account with BSP. I'll go through the process step by step, what you need to do to open a bank account, a business bank account with Bank South Pacific in Papua New Guinea. And these instructions are specific for people living in Port Moresby. The process will be similar for other centers, but I'll make mention of locations that are specific for Port Moresby. So how do you open your business bank account? Well, first you need to gather the necessary documents, and this involves going to register your business at the Investment Promotion Authority plus getting a taxpayer identification number. So before you open your bank account, these are documents that you will need. First, you go to the Investment Promotion Authority, or IPA. They are located in Port Moresby downtown at Konedobu. So it costs about 500 kina. So you need 50 kina to reserve the name, a name reservation, meaning you check whether that name is available if it hasn't been taken by another person. And then once it's cleared or you've searched that it's available, then it costs you 450 kina to register the business name. You can do that via the IPA website. They have an online options for you to register your business name, and with that comes a certificate of good standing. Both documents are sent via your email, and it only takes a couple of days, less than a week, provided that the name that you want is not taken. If the name is not available, then you need to repeat that process or to find a name that you can register. Next thing you do after you've gotten that is you take your certificate of incorporation or certificate of registration of business name, and you take it to the IRC's office, Internal Revenue Commission, that is located in Waigani, next to Range View Plaza, or where the same building where a city hall is, that's in Waigani near Vision City. So you go, you apply for the taxpayer identification number. It will not cost you anything. You will fill in forms and you provide the identification plus copies of your IPA registration, your business name registration. Okay, this should also take about a week, maybe less than 2 weeks. Once it's ready, they'll call you, and then you go and you pick up your certificate, or not your certificate, but your certificate of your taxpayer identification number. For this, they'll give you a hard copy. Okay, after you've gotten this these 2 vital documents or 3 vital documents, next thing you need to do is you need to prep your identification documents. So it's easier if you already have a personal account with a BSP, then you require fewer forms of identification. You only need, I think, 1, which can be an ID or a driver's license. I use my driver's license. So once you've gotten your documents, you need 2 other things. You need to write up your business profile. So this will involve just your business, what it does, and sort of business it's involved in, who's doing what in the business. But a profile, you can get ChatGPT to help you write this. And next is you need to include the organizational structure, or it's included as part of your business profile. So who's reporting to who and what the hierarchy is. In addition to all of this, you need to write a cover letter. It's a standard document just saying that you want to open a business bank account with the bank. Just address it to the bank manager, get the address for that particular branch that you're going to, for example Waigani Drive, and just say the bank manager, for the purposes of opening a bank account, it's so and so, and you can even mention the type of business that you're in. Then you bring all the documents to BSP, which you will need a BSP application forms. So you need a business account application form, and you need a BSP internet banking application form. So that's business internet banking. So you bring all the documents, and then you get these forms from the bank, you fill all of them and you submit them together. When you're submitting them, you'll have to pay a 10 kina. This is like a processing fee, or so the officer there will check that all your documents are in order. You've met all the requirements, and then they will submit it. Once they submit it, it will be in the process. So this will take a couple of days, maybe a week. And once your application has been approved, you will be advised to, or they'll call you and you'll be advised to go to the bank, and you'll need to bring a 200 kina. So this is the fee for opening your account, but it will be included in your account. So it's like money that holds your account, so you're going to use it anyway. So the total cost is around, it's 210 kina. So 10 kina for the processing fee, and 200 kina to open the account and hold the account. So once you've done that, you also need to follow up. Once your account's been created, you also will follow up on your internet banking. The form, you will submit everything together, but it will come later because it comes after your account is created. So you need internet banking will help because it's got everything, it's synced into one, so where it makes it easier. It does much more than the mobile banking on the phone, or on the phone banking. And then for the internet banking for your personal account too, this has more features, the business one. You're able to set up your payments, and you're able to look at your accounts, and if you have any things like loan, or if you've got any investments, everything shows in the one dashboard. So it makes it quite easy. Plus it comes with a Visa debit card. So you get the BSP Visa debit card, you're able to make business purchases. You can order things online, you can pay for subscriptions to software. For example, I use mine to subscribe to ChatGPT. So those are all the requirements. It's a straightforward process as long as you meet all the requirements and you do them in that particular order. So having your bank account, it's a necessary step, and it's one thing where even if you're just starting out your business, it's important to have, because you're starting it right. Even if you haven't got income coming in, yet, it's good to make the distinction. And then so you start from the beginning that your business is a separate entity from yourself, and therefore its finances should be kept separate from yours. So it sets you off, or you get off on the right start. And as you scale your business, it's easier to manage when you have all of that in order.